Hi, I hope all of you doing great. Keep smiling and keep learning. Here I am discussing about what is my reason behind learning this language. Because everyone asked me that you don't go outside, you can't interact with anyone. So why are you learning this language? So here I am share with you one is incident which student you can say that eyes opening for me. I have lots of reason, but here I am share only on one specific incident. So without further delay, let's discuss. So when I was in college and I was doing B.Ed, so that time we used to go in school for teaching and as a part of internship. So that time, one professor used to come with us only for observing our teaching style. So one day I noticed that if someone student taught in Hindi, so my professor always judge them. And if someone student taught in English, so my professor didn't judge them, no matter whatever he taught, right or wrong, but my professor didn't judge them. Even we had same level because we had clear entrance exam and we got government college. So we had the same knowledge, but different skill we have. So, but my professor didn't judge just according skill, just only for English language. So I felt that according to my professor, if you are good at speaking skills, so you are more intelligent rather than weak student who don't know speaking skills. So that time I used to feel so bad because also out lots of opportunity in college for this language. When any cultural program happens in my college, so my professor always selected those students who was good at this language, no matter how we have skill or not. So that's why I feel so bad. But that time I realized that this language very important for everyone. If you want to do something, I'm not saying that you don't have knowledge and you learn this language so you can do everything. But here I am saying that this language work for like password. If you know password, then you can enter your phone or you can use your phone. Likewise, if you know this language, so you can grab opportunity, you can grab platform, no matter how how much you have knowledge. But if you don't have platform, so how can you spread your knowledge? So that time I realized that I don't know. I don't say that earlier. I don't know how much important this language, but I ignored every time. But that incident, that it is a very necessary learning this language. Without learning this language, I can't grab any opportunity because every time I'm focused about my government examination preparation, every time I'm thinking about one time I am getting government job. After that, I would learn this language. I used to learn this language in since my childhood, but I focused more about my preparation. But that day I decided that I am learning this language simultaneously my preparation. And after completed my B.Ed, I am become mother. And after becoming mother, I started learning this language. And when I started learning this language, you didn't believe me that, but I didn't able to speak even one sentence, even utter one sentence. I fell down. Even I am become demotivated because I know about grammar very well. I am good at reading, but I am not able to speak one line. So every time I am searching why I am not able to speak one line. So one day I realized that because lack of practice, and I am not consuming any English content. So I started consumed English content. After consumed English content 10 days regular basis, I am able to think in English. And after I'm not that able to think more English, but I am able to think little bit English. So after 10 days, I started connected our co-learner. Only 10 days. And believe me, if you want to learn this language, so definitely connect with co-learner because you can learn gradually with your co-learner without conscious subconscious mind. You can learn with subconscious mind. If you want to improve your level, so you definitely connect with co-learner language. I am not good at this language. Still, I am learning, and still I want to improve my spoken skill, and still I am preparing. But simultaneously, I am learning this language because I am belong to UP. So you know about what is the situation of vacancy in UP, but as a mother, I want to improve my spoken skill. If in future I get any opportunity, so I want it miss out this opportunity. So that's why I am learning this language. As a mother, I want to teach my kid. If I have get any opportunity in future for teaching, so definitely I would teach. I will teach. I like teaching. I'm passionate about teaching. So that's why I am learning up this language because I don't want to miss any opportunity in future because I also missed out lots of opportunity. So